In the ancient land of Mahabharat, where princes trained not just to rule but to fight, there lived a boy whose focus would change his destiny forever. His name was Arjun, but he was not alone. Beside him stood his brothers and 100 rival princes, all training under the legendary guru Dronacharya. And on one fateful day, a simple test would reveal who among them truly saw the world differently. Under the watchful eyes of Dronacharya, the princes of Hastinapur trained day and night. There was Bhim, strong as a storm, Yudhishthir, calm and wise, and the Kauravas, led by the ambitious Duryodhan. All of them were skilled, all of them were determined, but one practiced differently. Arjun didn't just practice, he obsessed. One night, as he ate his meal, a sudden gust of wind blew out the lamp. Yet his hand did not miss his mouth. And in that moment, Arjun realized something profound. If I can eat without seeing, I can shoot without light. From that day onward, he trained not just his eyes, but his mind. Then came the day of the test. Dronacharya placed a wooden bird high upon a tree. A simple challenge, or so it seemed. Each of you will aim for the bird's eye. Dronacharya asked Yudhishthir, "What do you see?" Yudhishthir said, "I see the bird, the tree, and my guru." Dronacharya said, "Stand aside." Next, Dronacharya asked Bhim, "What do you see, Bhim?" Bhim said, "I see the bird and its branch it sits on." Dronacharya said, "Stand aside." Each time Dronacharya asked a prince what they saw, each prince answered that they saw too much, way too much. Finally, Dronacharya asked Arjun, "What do you see, Arjun?" Arjun calmly, unwaveringly replied, "I see only the eye of the bird." Dronacharya asked, "Do you see the tree?" Arjun replied, "No." Dronacharya asked, "Do you see me?" Arjun replied, "No, Guru." Dronacharya with a quiet smile said, "Then shoot." In that single moment, the truth became clear. It was not strength, not talent, not even practice alone. It was Arjun's focus that made him the greatest archer of all times. Arjun's arrow shot through the air with the speed of lightning, its focus on nothing else but the eye of the bird. And it landed just there, not on the tree, not on the branch, not on the bird's wooden body, but on the eye. While others saw the world, Arjun saw only his target, his lakshya. And that is why Arjun did not just become a great archer, he became the best. What do you see when you chase your goal? Everything or just your target?
If you like this story, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.